Hey guys, good morning. Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Yeah, good morning. Yes, very good. Only Nani is replying. Other than what happened to other people? Yeah. You always be proactive in the class. Those who are especially online people, those who are online people is be proactive in the class. You need to respond when I have the questions. Otherwise, don't come to the class. Go to Udemy classes. Okay. 500 rupees machine learning. Go to Udemy. If you want to respond to me only, then only come to my class. Otherwise, go to Udemy classes. Okay, that is. So let's see. So let's see. That is it is a fourth day. Like some people, new people also added. Even the new people also added. Again, that is we will cover that last things also. I will just recap. That is what we have done. Okay. First of all, I have given the overview of the what is the data science, right? Everyone understood what is the data science? Tell me what is the data science. If anyone asks you, what you will say? Tell me. Speak loudly with the chorus. Tell me, what is data science? Understand the past data, predict the future. Astrologist. జాతకాలు చెప్పుకొని బతకాలి ఇంకా. But that too companies. Okay. Why the data science is very famous? Because of the you are predicting something about the company, right? With some evidence. With some evidence. And that evidence is based on what? Some simple mathematics. Simple mathematics. Because always numbers will speak more. Always numbers will speak more, that is. So that's why when I say people see mathematics means maths means people will afraid. Okay, but don't afraid about mathematics. First of all, here we are not doing that big mathematics now. Big mathematics we are not doing that because some people will afraid about mathematics. Very simple mathematics, like what is the arithmetic mean? What does arithmetic mean? Like what is the average kind of a plus b by 2, this kind of things. What is the line equation? Y is equal to mx plus c, like these equations. And some differentiation, little bit differentiation. Suppose y is equal to x square is what type of graph? What type of graph? What type of graph? Y is equal to x square. Tell me, what is the graph name? What is the graph name of y is equal to x square? It is a parabola. This is a very simple thing, but you forget, right? So here I will teach you to recall you everything. Like we will take like y, x is equal to value we will take, and y is equal to value we will take. X is equal to 1, what is equal to y? Tell me. 1, x is equal to 2, what is equal to y? 4, x is equal to 3, what is equal to y? Now what happen? We will make draw also. We will make analysis, we'll make draw like this. Then this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, 0, 1, 2, 3. And this is also like 2, 4, 6, 9, like this we will see. When 0 is 0, then 2 is how much? 4, 3 is how much? 9. Then we'll draw like this. Then you'll understand this is a parabola. Understand? So I will teach the mathematics. You don't need to worry. You can just simply come to class and simply sit and learn. Like that. This math, y is equal to x square is any difficult to learn? Any difficult to learn? No. But this is important. I can't bluff the people, right? I can't bluff the people. Some people will say that to attract the students, no mathematics is required. Who said no mathematics is required? Mathematics is required for data science. Don't believe outside if they once said mathematics is not required. Yesterday, one girl called me from US. She attended the demo and she loved the demo like that. And she called me. If she knew before this class is there, she didn't opt the data science course in MS data science course. She's saying that I spend a lot of money, sir, here, but your teaching quality is very good. Like that, she's saying that. So what I'm saying that believe me, the way I am providing the teaching, the quality of teaching. You can ask to my friends and juniors and everywhere. That means what kind of the way, how can I provide that? So here, suppose I will provide one more simple insight about mathematics. Because yesterday some people are talking about the mathematics. Sir, you are saying mathematics, I don't know mathematics like that. You know mathematics, but you are afraid to do maths. I am not saying to do maths here. I am saying to, I will make you to understand the analogy. Understand the analogy. Let's see the understand the analogy. There are two persons are there, A and B. Two persons are there, A and B. A is buying a computer, B also buying a computer. A is buying a car and B also buying a car. A is buying a scooty, B also buying a scooty. Now A is buying some pen drive. What B will buy? If you understand this analogy, what you will recommend to him? Pen drive. That is the data science job. Correct? Now let's see. That means A is going the same direction, B is also going the same direction. Can I say this? You and me both are going same direction. Whatever you are buying, I am also buying the same. Both are going same direction or not? When both are going same direction, what is the angle between these two? No, same direction. What is the angle between these two? It is a 0 degrees. How many degrees? 0 degrees. Cos 0 how much? Cos 0 how much? Can't you learn cos 0? You can learn cos 0 value, right? I am not asking cos equation. E power theta minus e power minus theta by 2 theta, like that. I am not asking that equation. I am asking cos 0 how much? 1. 1 means 100% relation. 100% relation is there or not? That's it. Cos is telling the answer. That is the mathematics. That is the mathematics. Suppose I am going like this direction and you are going that upper direction. What is the angle between these two? 90. Cos 90 how much? That means both are no relation. Right? Yes or no? I am going to the north, you are going to south. I am going to north, you are going to south. Think like that. No relation. So cos 90 is saying what? 0. 0 means what? No relation. 0 means no relation. Suppose you are going to this direction A and you are going to this direction B, like wife and husband. Complete opposite direction. You go that side, I will not accept you. What is the angle? Cos 180 how much? -1 over. -1 means 100% negative relation. That's it. This is the mathematics. This is the mathematics. Now one algorithm is over. One algorithm is over. What is the algorithm name? Recommendation engine. Recommendation engine. Based on the others buying pattern, I need to recommend this guy pattern. And this is called, what we are doing is called cos. And the technique is called cosine similarity. Cosine similarity. This is the algorithm. Cosine similarity. We are dealing cos 0, cos 90, cos 1. What we are trying to approach? Similarities. What is the algorithm name? Cosine similarity. This is the used only recommendation engine. This is the only in the Amazon, Flipkart, Netflix, that everywhere they are using only this algorithm. Cosine similarity. Data science is very simple, ma. Only thing is you need to put your 100% efforts in the class when I am teaching. Yeah. Let's see one more thing. So see, everyone is able to say. So the mathematics is not tough. Mathematics is very easy. Mathematics is very easy, that is. So I'm not asking you to perform the Lagrange's multiplication theorem. Okay. I'm not asking you to perform the Euler's theorem. I'm not asking to perform the Rutherford's theorem. This I'm not asking. The very, very basic algebra. Basic algebra. Let's see here. Let's see here, suppose. I will show you some successful stories now. Let's see. Yeah, Hemant M. Tirukala. He is now data scientist in Accenture. Now currently he is drawing approximately 26 lakhs package. His started career is 2008. 2009 he completed in bio. Where he completed? Bio. When? 2008. Now he become a data scientist now. Where bio? Where which one experience? Now almost how many years experience? Like 15 years experience. He achieved it or not? Yeah, he has achieved. Okay. So all experienced people can convert is a data scientist, no problem at all. Even though bio background also. That is the one thing. And next, Praveen Varukolu. He is also my student. Now, what he had done? Journalist. Now, what he is doing? Manager on advanced analytics. Drawing 11 lakhs package now. When he joined? 21. That is. And his background is civil engineer. He's a civil engineer. His education is civil engineer now. He is a generally civil engineer. See? And when he passed out? 2017. When he got the job? 2021 got the 4 years gone. Career gap. He got the job or not? Got the job. And that too he done journalism. Okay, due to COVID, they removed his journalism actually. Then he come to me, sir, what should I do? Okay, do the data science course. You'll get an opportunity. That is the thing. Then we trained and he got the job. That is. Yeah. We will help to make you to get the jobs. Don't worry that. But everyone can do that. And let's see that Manjil Devi, she is at the time very fresher. She is the background is BS Mathematics. BS Mathematics. In 2017 pass out generally. That is. Now he started his career with S Bank. You know, banks, they will give that manager roles, assistant manager roles, right? In the bank generally. That the starting roles they will provide if you have a good degree is there. But she's done BSc Mathematics. And come to the Akshay. Akshay, yeah. He is my very best student actually. He is very my best student. So he is a civil engineer. He done as a civil engineer. He is also civil engineer. Civil engineer means what you will think? You know, you'll think like it's not related to IT software, right? But he's doing data science job. What is no, Akshay is a very talented guy. So I observed his talent in the class. He's doing the internship. So one day they remove the internship also. But he's a talented guy. There's a Bosch manager also is my student. At the time he wants to learn the data science concept. So I recommend to his Bosch manager. So he directly given the job as analyst. Now what happened? He proved himself. He wants to get some hike. They did not accept it. Then he joined to some Antworks. Again, this guy called. Again, he joined in Bosch. Because his talent. He's a talented. Akshay is a talented guy. He done the internships. The internship they removed. Then I showed him to path. That's the Bosch. Then again he come to join in the Bosch. That is. This is a very good success story. So talent matters now. You need to pursue the course. Even though not talent also. Praveen Varukolu doesn't know about machine learning algorithm till now. Okay. He meets me generally. Sir, I'm not doing the machine learning algorithm. I'm doing some Power BI dashboard. I want to ship I forget all the concepts. I want to join again the course. Like that is doing. After you go into the company, you don't know what what work you will do. You are a data scientist. Luckily, I never do Power BI kind of things. I never do. But some of my friends are doing the dashboard things. Some of my friends are doing the ML works. Some of my friends are doing the DL works. Now I showed the project, right? That is called Google project. That kind of projects only I am doing always. So company will decide what work you want to do. You can't decide. You can't choose. The only possibility is you can choose the designation. I want to become a data scientist. Yes, I will want to become a data scientist. Now, which company I want to choose? I can choose the company. After you enter into the company, it's a completely different scenario. Whatever they will give the work that you need to do. Of course, they will give the SQL work, might be, they will give the Python work, they will give the Power BI work, they will give the machine learning work. But there's a machine learning projects are not there now in the companies actually. They're yet to come. So many machine learning projects are yet to come. That's why this is the best opportunity to become a data scientist now. So now it is coming in the flow to India. All the projects are coming. So there are so much lack of resources there. Lack of resources are there in the data science. I can say that. Let's see one more thing. I hope Mahesh. Yeah, Mahesh Reddy P. So when we worked in the HCL, he is almost a 15 years experience. He done in the 6 years. In 6 years in the HCL technologies only, but not as a data scientist. After he learned the data science, he converted into data scientist in some startup. He went to startup. He learned the work, and now he is a manager in the project principal engineer in the ConnectWise. He is almost 15 years experience. Almost like freshers are there, different background people are there, career gap people are there, and experienced people are there. Everyone is possible or not? Now one more thing I will show you that. Gaurav Nath. So I am also collaborated with Praxis Business School generally. So I am the guest faculty and he is a permanent faculty there. He is the permanent faculty. Gaurav Nath. His age is almost 40 years. He done with 6 years with Praxis Business School, assistant professor, and now he got the job recently, 2023, as in the Ecolab, as a data scientist. A teacher converted as a data scientist. A professor. Everyone can convert. Only thing is, because that is only 10th class mathematics, right? 10th class mathematics and Python programming language and statistics. Only thing is you need to connect the dots. Connect the dots. The logics you need to implement, that is. That's why we are here to train you. We are here to train you to right direction. These all are successful stories. Gaurav Nath is a very beautiful success story. Almost 40 years, like 40 to 45 years, more than 10 years older than me. And he is the academic in charge there, the Praxis Business School. Now he became a data scientist. That is one success story. So his entire lifetime is BSc and MSc, and entire lifetime is corporate trainer, and that faculty, and finally is a data scientist. That is like so many people are there, no? Like so many people are there. Jaydeep Sen, he is my favorite professor actually. He is a mechanical engineer, I think. He is a mechanical engineer. He is a mechanical engineer actually. I think education is not displayed, but he is a very famous in India, one of the top professor in the data scientist. Jaydeep Sen. Okay. So he go to Malaysia, he go to so many citations are there, so many things are there. So he is like kind of my mentor generally. So I traveled with him from 5 years, past 5 years. We done some research books. We done some research things. He's a mechanical engineer. He's a mechanical engineer. That is very good professor actually. Like there's so many successful stories are there. So many successful stories are there. You never get a doubt on anything. Anyone can become a data scientist. And so first of all, anyone can learn data science. Even your grandfather also can learn data science if he has educated generally. Okay, even is also learn. The learning is there no limit. I am interested, I want to learn. Okay, but what is the option here? You want to choose a career, right? You want to choose the job. That is, everyone can convert into job. Everyone can convert. He is a like experienced guy or fresher, or he is a different background, or like gap is there. Everyone can is there. For experienced freshers people is easy to convert. If you are in IT experience, or if you are a non-IT experience, or you are a fresher, it is very easy to convert. Suppose there are only two different cases will be available. What are the different cases? Suppose you have a huge career gap is there. Like you are done in 2010 and you are not done anything till 2023. You're not done anything. Now you realize you want to do something. Then how can you do? How can you want to convert? How can you want to convert? That is the scenario. The same case. Suppose you have completely, suppose you are a completely like kind of a bio, you are completely pharma guy, you are completely a pharma guy. You want to pursue a data science course and you want to enter into IT industry. How can you do? That is kind of thing. These are the different scenarios, right? So these two kind of different scenarios, I ask you to talk with me. So I can give the guidance. I can give the guide. I can't say publicly, right? That's the things. I can't say the publicly, that is. So that is those who are having any doubts still, those who are having any doubts, call me, call to my number. So note down my number again, 970196233. That is, you can call to my number. Sir, this is my story. So I will get so many calls every day. I am guiding the right path. If I say that is the okay, this is happening means I'll say happening. This not happening means I'll say not happening. Okay, because I am not a full-time trainer here in Naresh IT. To attract more students, I get more money. Okay, so my job is a completely different. I am the only this is my passion. Teaching is my passion. Even one student is there, I will teach the same thing. 100 students are there, I will teach the same thing. I am more concerned about the students. So if you are still doubt, if you are still your background doubt, your gap doubt, anything doubts are there, call to me. Okay, no hesitation. I will give the right path to you. That is. So that is the thing. That are the successful stories. And I already showed you number of projects, right? I already showed the number of projects, what we have done the projects kind of thing. I showed you ML projects. I showed you DL projects. I showed you NLP projects. Those who are missing the projects, you can refer the recording videos. Already recording videos already has given here. You can contact to admin. Please contact to admin for the previous demo classes. This is admin. This is admin number. This is admin number. Okay, Rajeshwari madam. Rajeshwari madam. Call for previous recording videos. If you are missed, okay, some people are coming every day. Some people are coming join today, right? Or yesterday. So if you are missed, ask them to get the recording video so that what happened, you can get an idea. So finally, means data science is a very, very beautiful course. Data science is very, very beautiful course. You can enjoy and you can love it. And this is a technology, right? This is a technology. The technology. So let's see. Let's see. Again, I'm asking same question. Don't get bored, because I want to insisting you what you are going to learn, that you come automatically comes from your mind. What you are going to learn in this. Again, for that, what you need to remember? Life cycle of data science. What do you need to remember? Life cycle of data science. Tell me, what is the life cycle of data science? Understand business problem. Understand business problem. What is the second thing? Data gather. I need more answers in the chat. Next, what is the answer? Data pre-process. Data pre-process. And what is the fourth one? Analysis data. What is the name is called? EDA. What is it called? Exploratory data analysis. And what is the fifth one? What is the fifth one? Model building. Model building. And what is the sixth one? Evaluation. Model evaluation. What is the seventh one? Model deployment. Simple. These are the 7 steps. This only your life you will do only these things. Data science means. And here data gather means what are the tools required? What are the tools required? SQL you required. That's why we will train on the SQL. We will train on the SQL. And next, what is required? Yeah, both SQL is useful as well as Python also useful. That are the tools. And exploratory data analysis, what is required? Statistics is the subject. Model building, what kind of models will develop? ML model, DL model, NLP model. ML full form, what is the ML full form? Machine learning. What is DL full form? What is NLP full form? NLP is regarding to what? Text data. Deep learning regarding to what? ML regarding to what? Tabular data, all kind of data. That is all the fields. Now evaluation means some metrics. That is called evaluation. What is the accuracy of your model? How much error you are getting your model? I'm the original value I'm saying 5, but you are saying 4.9. Is that okay or not? Like that, these kind of things will apply. And model deployment. Model deployment. Suppose if you want to hand over the model to the client, okay, you need to deploy on the cloud. We'll deploy on the cloud. That's why we'll teach about Azure ML also. So these all the things we will learn here. All the things we will learn here. That's why the tools we are learning here is called SQL, Python, and Power BI. These are the tools we are learning. SQL, Python, and Power BI. And the subjects, coming to the subjects, we'll learn statistics, and we'll learn about machine learning, and we'll learn about deep learning, and we'll learn about NLP. And not only that, we are added new thing what is called generative AI. Generative AI. So generative AI and ChatGPT. Generative and ChatGPT. We will use how ChatGPT is in your life cases as a machine learning models. Everyone knows about ChatGPT, right? Nowadays is very famous. So it is giving the code, it is giving the insights, it is giving the automation, and it is talking like a human being. It's talking like a human being. So now we already showed, right? If I want to write some Python code, ChatGPT is helping. Nowadays, so many people are using ChatGPT to pass the exam. I think ChatGPT passed all the exam. Expect that I think civil services. It passed medical exam. It passed SSC. They are testing the ChatGPT where it is passing or not. Okay, and it passed the LLB exam also. Every exam it passed except civil services. It is. And soon it will pass that also. Civil service also it will pass. It is a package. It is a package. But ChatGPT drinks more water actually. Okay. ChatGPT drinks more water. It is not a human being. What means the meaning of drinking more water? What is the meaning of drinking more water? So ChatGPT is to cool. This is to cool what happened? To cool it is required more water. Like that is a funny thing. That is a funny thing. ChatGPT drinks more water. Drinks more water. Yeah. OpenAI ChatGPT consumes 500 milliliter of water for every 5 to 50 prompts. That's all. Half liter water bottle katam if you ask 5 questions. Now, how many people are there in the world? How many questions they will ask? Let's how much water it is drinking. Water drinking means the servers you need to cool. Data centers will be available. Okay. In Hyderabad, data center is available. In Vizag also, they are establishing data centers. Data center means what happened? There's so many servers will be there. It's a server room. You know, Tom Hanks movies, he always go to server rooms in Mission Impossible, that kind of things. That is. Okay. So in order to cool that, it requires water. That means we need to train the models. Train the model is a huge thing actually. So that's why it will take months and it will take days and hours. Like the training the model is a difficult thing. Because OpenAI and Microsoft is collaborated together and there are so much data, right? So much Wikipedia data is available. So much data is available. You want to train with so much data. We have seen Amazon reviews data we have taken, right? Amazon reviews only one person will say. The lots of people will say. Approximately 1 crore reviews will come. Let's assume 1 crore data will be there. 1 crore. How much time it will take to train the data? How much time it will take to train the data? In order to study 5 questions, how much time to take for human being to study 5 questions? For 1 hour? Like 1 crore? How much time? So that's why this is able to do on the cloud. That's why what happened? This training will happen on the cloud whenever you got the huge data. So that is also I will train. How to train the model on the cloud. And that is called only, this is we are talking about the little bit about MLOps. MLOps. How to train the model on cloud. That is also will do. When I say train term, train means what? I want to give the training to some person, right? In the same way, artificial intelligence is nothing but a robot. Suppose I have Siri is there. If I ask Siri, tell me a joke means it will tell the joke. But before 2 years, it is not telling the joke. Now it is telling the joke. Because they trained the Siri like that. Apple people are training the bot like that. Now what happened before COVID? What happened? It face recognition is there. Now after COVID, what happened? Even if you put the mask also, it is recognizing. The face recognizing based on your eyes, eye contact. That is also their training. So the companies also keep on updating. How can the better way we can give to the world? Now, if you say Google Maps also, how that every Google product is very, very super product, no? That is, everyone use only Google. No one will use Bing, right? Bing is developed by whom? Microsoft. Google is developed, Google Chrome is developed by Google. Both are competition. Both are very, very competition in the world. Now, recently there is a case also filed between them. Like, who is the Microsoft founder? CEO? Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella claims on Google. Let's see. This is a very, very recent, 3rd October. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella testified US federal court. There's a court issue is going that he is feeling that Google is occupying the monopoly. Now, Google is not, Google is a kind of a monopoly. That means Google is become only the one king in the world. So that is not good. He's claiming that. What is his problem means? His Bing is not working properly. He's not become very famous, his Bing. So he's not happy with that. So that's why he's saying that. It's a gains market share dominant position means that it was difficult to even Microsoft compete the internet. So much competition is going on these three guys. Who's that these three guys means? One guy is Azure. Azure means who? Microsoft. Azure means who? Microsoft. And one more guy is Google. That is called GCP. What is the GCP? That is the cloud. It's called Google. And one more guy is AWS. He is called Amazon. He is called Amazon. Now this guy is implemented what? ChatGPT, right? With collaboration with OpenAI. And this guy is trying to come with Bard. This coming to what? Bard. But Bard is failed. They asked one question on the publicly and it is not able to say very well. So now everyone is turned into ChatGPT. Now one day this guy will come and he will give to shock to both. Okay. One day this guy also will come. Now Alexa is came, no, like that. Everyone knows Alexa now, right? Who knows Google Assistant? No one uses Google Assistant. Who knows the Siri? They will use Siri. Who will use Alexa? You will talk about Alexa. Now Alexa in the TVs also, smart TVs also, smart watches also, everywhere collaborated Alexa. So like that, these people are very competent in the world to rule the world in the terms of AI. In the terms of everything is AI only. Everything data science. Now data science is their weapon now. Data science is their weapon. They are trying to rule the world. So we are very privileged. We are very happy to learn this course, data science. That's why I am telling this story. So world is competing. Now, if you go to any company, and now in the India like Ambani, Adani, the world is depends on only these three. Now one more guy is coming. So what happened? No, this Microsoft is Google is very competitive, but secretly Apple will help to Google. Apple and Google is a kind of North Korea and China kind of thing. Okay. So if you open now, if you open Safari, Bing will not come directly. What will come? Chrome will come. So these guys, that means Apple is paying so much money to Google. Then what happened? This guy is feeling very sad. Then he collaborated with Elon Musk now. He's collaborating with Elon Musk, OpenAI. Like that, collaborations is happening, that is. So they are trying to rule the world in terms of AI, artificial intelligence. So it is very, very important technology. Tomorrow IoT technology will come, cyber security. Again, this competition will go on. So we are just, in the chessboard, we are just kind of normal people kind of things in front of these guys. Yeah. And one more thing, if you go to any company, the company will train on you 3 clouds. Okay, they will divide the people. They will train the 3 clouds. Some people will train on GCP. Some people will train on AWS. Some people will train on Azure. Because we don't know which project will come, you need to be ready. That kind of company will teach. But these 3, like using of 3 different mobiles. Okay, GCP services, AWS services, Azure services, almost same. In the Azure also ML will be there. In the GCP also ML will be there. In the AWS also ML will be there, but with different names. If you know how to use the Samsung phone, you know how to use the Realme phone. Only the features will be different, but you can easily understand, no? That is the only cloud. Cloud is very simple. Only one cloud is to learn enough. That's why Azure, we are preferring Azure because Azure is very flexible to easy to learn. Azure. So that's why we are providing the Azure service here. Automatically, you learn automatically these two when you enter into the company. So that is the thing. So now I'm providing the whole scenario, how the world is going. So you need to track that also. How many knows this? They are fighting in the court. How many knows this news? No, right? So that means you are lack in the world. What is Rohit Sharma's score yesterday? Tell me, what is Rohit Sharma's score yesterday? 130. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. So when is the Vijay movie release? Tell me, when is Vijay movie release? Tell me. 18. See? Like that. World is be like that. Whatever we likes, we know more, right? So now your like should be in the data science. Love the data science. Okay. Love the data science. You'll get to more. There's a lot of people are passionate about data science and AI. So it is very, very important. Yeah, let's see. Again, in the data science, in the machine learning, how many types of algorithms we have? How many types of algorithms we have? Tell me. Tell me. Supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning, right? Supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning. Yeah, this is the life cycle of data science, ma. Business understanding, data collection, data preparation, EDA, modeling, model evaluation, model deployment. Data collection, data preparation, EDA. If you perform these three, then you are eligible to get a job in analyst role. What type of role? Analyst role. In that Python is there, you can do the Python developer role, Power BI developer role, SQL admin role, analyst role. If you do these three, 1, 2, 3. Now, if you want to become a data scientist, what you need to develop? Models you need to develop. Models is nothing but data science algorithms. Data science algorithms. Like recommendation engine. Just now we have seen, right? That is one algorithm. Forecasting, weather forecasting. How can you do the weather forecasting? That is one algorithm. There are different algorithms is there. That yesterday we discussed that also. How many algorithms we discussed totally? The classification algorithms, regression algorithms, cluster algorithms, right? We discussed that. So that only the algorithms if you learn, then modeling done. Modeling is done. When model is done, what you need to do? Evaluate the model. Then what you need to do? Deployment the model. This is the entire thing. AI will be there, data science will be there, ML engineer will be there, deep learning engineer will be there, NLP engineer will be there. This is era. So you need to divide the your category into two parts. One is the analyst role, another one is the scientist role. Analyst role and scientist role. So everything, if you want to name as a tagline of data science, you need to learn all these three. That is ML you need to learn, DL you need to learn, NLP you need to learn. This year we are adding this. Okay, this year. Recently we are adding this, especially from the last batch onwards. That is generative and chat GPT. That is also is required. And next thing, if you come here, so this you see, right? Business administration, exploratory data analysis, what roles will come? Analyst role. Machine learning and everything is coming what? Data scientist. But data scientist, you need to know the how to analyze the data also. Data science is a package. That's why it's getting a huge salaries. That is, if a good data scientist of 4-5 years experience, you're drawing minimum 20 lakhs nowadays. So data science is a huge thing. And you see, if you go with the travel industry, marketing industry, social media, automation, credit, sales, whatever, you name it, anything, ma. One use case you can easily say now. Yes or no? If I name is travel industry, what is the use case of travel industry? Tell me. What is the data science use case of travel industry? Say it. What kind of analysis you will do in the travel? Tell me, say loudly. Fare prediction and trafficking. How many people are flowing? How many people are coming? That is, now even though the baggage collection also they are using AI in the airport. Baggage collection. You can simply sit like that only. Now it will come everything like your friend only. Everything they are including AI. Every position they are using including AI. And that is. And next, marketing. That is e-commerce. That is Amazon recommendation engine is there. Review analysis is there. Now Amazon is implementing the AR/VR technology also. That means augmented reality, virtual reality. If you want to buy a shoe, you can just put like this your leg and automatically the shoe will come and it will take the picture. It will suitable or not suitable for you. If you want to buy a that shirt, you can ask me, sir, the AR/VR will be there. You can provide your image. Automatically the shirt will come on your body and you can say that it's suitable or not suitable. Even in the Apple website also, there is a 3D video is there, 3D. You go to today Apple thing, okay? There is a, you check what AR, VR like that. Apple video. That is suppose see here. I will show you here. Apple website. Suppose iPhone 15 Pro. Let's see it is there or not. iPhone 15 Pro. Yeah, sorry. Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? There's something is there here we are recently have checked that is you can check here also. Okay. That means in your room only they will ask to take the picture. In the room, suppose the phone is there on your sofa, how it is look like. That is augmented reality, virtual reality also. So that is also is taking, that is you can look into that. So finally what I am saying is choose the technology wise and learn the technology and grow in the technology. Choose the technology wise. So data science is a very good technology. Data science is a very good technology. So you will get so many things in the data science. And let's discuss about little bit about Python. So if you have any doubts, I can take the doubts. Yeah, if you have any doubts till now, everyone is clear about your road path. Everyone clear about your road path? Can you please confirm the chat? Road path is clear or not clear till now? You know what you are going to do after you learn the data science? But this course is not a asan mein ho jayega ma. It is not very asan. It is you need to be spent 4 months here and 4 months is a rigorous work. 4 months is a rigorous work. Again, I'm telling you, it's a test match. Data science is a test match. It's not a 2020 match. It will not finish in 3 hours. It will not finish in 3 days. Okay. It is who can bat entire day with the weather conditions, with ball in swinger, out swinger, spinning conditions, and who make the double century and they can only get the 30 lakhs package. That is simple. Okay. Why I am saying that some people will think like that I can learn 2 months, I can join the course. That is not there in the scenario outside the world. Because in India, huge population is there. Jobs are very less. Competition is very more. Even though some people are very good at from college days and they're studying for government jobs, they are not getting the government jobs. Again, to the family pressure, again, they're coming back and they're joining the IT industry. That is. There's so many people are there like that. Who has money, they are going to foreign. Who has talent, they are staying in India. And they are doing some jobs. That is happening in the scenario. But this is a story like 4 months plus 15 days. Okay. 15 days is the maximum. We can finish that. And the first month is completely a Python basics. First month is a completely Python from scratch level. Python from scratch. Okay. From scratch to advanced level. Advanced level. Python. In the first month only, it might possible we will little bit enter into statistics concept. Statistics concept. In the second month, your statistics theory will finish. Statistics theory will finish. Theory. And we'll do the Python code with EDA. EDA with Python. That is the second month. And here you will get the so many assignments. Here you will get the so many assignments. Every chapter is over, one assignment you will get. And you need to submit the assignment within the deadline. We will all track the assignments and everything. Tomorrow what happened? You have not done any assignments. Suppose Naresh IT is company calling the some companies. And maybe they will want to allow only 10 members. Who will allow? Only who perform the good in the class, they will allow like that things. Okay. So that's why it is not a joke. If I give the assignment for not time pass, right? You should do the assignment. Should do the assignment. Assignments will be there. And some write-ups also will be there. Write-ups. You need to write the articles. Articles you need to write. And you need to presentations also will be there. Presentations also will be there. Everything I will monitor. Maybe Naresh IT will allow to the company. But if I want to provide your resumes to my HRs, I know HRs, I can't provide to those who are not assignments. I can provide only those who are performed very well in the class. Otherwise, you see, right? Boss manager without blindly taking the Akshay. Okay. How can he blindly take him? He believes me, not Akshay. Okay. So then Akshay proved himself. Recently, I talked to one HR. Okay. And he's saying that, sir, you are trained means they are very good student. Send the resumes. How can I send the resumes if you are not good, perform well? So that is, you need to work hard. You need to prove yourself. So that is the first month, Python, Scratch and advanced level. Statistics, assignments, write-up articles will be there. And same thing now, statistics EDA will complete. And then in the second month only, slowly we will enter into the machine learning. Slowly we'll enter into the machine learning. And third month, again, machine learning with Python also will complete. Machine learning Python also will complete. Now this batch is going on third month before 7 o'clock. Now they are doing machine learning with Python. So once it's done, immediately I will take the SQL and Power BI. SQL and Power BI. If I teach this first now, half of the people will gone. So analyst role is enough. Okay, this I will try with analyst. I will not go to ML. The people are very smart. Okay, they'll join data science course because these three are not covered at one place, right? Python they will not cover at one place. Power BI will not cover at one place. SQL will not cover one place. Only here only they will cover. So some people will pay the money and they will learn all these three and they will gone. They will not come again. Some people only interested to learn data science, they will stay till end. That will happen. So that's why in order to beneficial to, I will start a SQL and Power BI after ML only. After ML. Once you're done with third month, you are ready to apply the jobs for data science jobs. You are ready to apply. Then we'll start the resume building and I will talk to each and every person individually and I will give the right, I will provide the separate projects for him. Every individual has separate projects, not two projects for all the people here. Especially with me, suppose you are the fresher. What kind of projects? You are experienced. What kind of projects? You are interested in some medical project. You are bringing the data set. I will help you that kind of things. Okay, you want only interested in Python. I will give Python project. So like that. So every projects are different here. It is not the two projects, not for all. So this is a very, I can say very proud. I can give the resume building very proper way. I will provide the samples and everything. Resume building will happen here. Resume building will happen here. Resume building happen here. And when you enter in the fourth month, and you will teach about deep learning and NLP. deep learning and NLP. That is complete AI projects. 1 month we will dedicate it on deep learning and NLP. You can talk to outside thing. The outside thing people will think like that. In the institutions, deep learning and NLP, they will not go that much depth. Yes, interviewer also doesn't know that much depth. Deep learning and NLP, because there are very less trainers are there to teach in the proper way. And I can promise that you can in the 4th month completely AI projects. That is complete AI project. We'll divide the groups and I will guide you. You need to submit the AI projects. That is completely. And then after this month, what happen? Immediately we'll do the chat GPT and generative AI. Generative AI we will do. So in middle, in all these 4 months, okay, and you do many things. You do the internships, and you do the certifications. And I will show you that what kind of internships you will do. Let's see. So this is our internship, or this is certification. It is certification from Gate Learning Python certification. In order to pass this exam, I will help you. In order to pass these exams, I will help you. And suppose you see here, let's say Gaurang is my student. Okay, Gaurang is my student and his activities. Let's see what kind of internships he has done. So this is the internship, certificate of internship. I only helped him to crack that. These are done Python internship, that is, and he had the course certification here. Like so many things he's doing, right? And he's submitting this task 3 from Techno Hanks like this. He created a video and he's submitting like this. And so many things he's doing. This is all he's doing after the course, after he joined the course. See, 2 months ago only. And everything is the 2 months only. This is also 2 months only. This is all he's doing after the join the course. That is. Okay, like that I will encourage the students. You need to increase your digital weightage. So that what happen, you will get direct messages, like direct messages like this. Suppose if you see here, she is Neha and she is looking for job change. She asked me resume. But I recently joined in another company. I messaged her. Directly people will call you. Directly people will message you by seeing your profiles. You don't need to go to anywhere. Only trust on yourself. Now suppose you'll see here. Yeah. This is also like job opportunity only. You are looking for job change, let's connect. Like so many job opportunities will come. I joined after that, after the joining company only, I got the 2 calls. Now keep on, you'll get the calls only. Only the thing they will see your profiles. They'll see your profiles. Let's see, like somebody, if anyone done certification. Yeah, this is Supraja. Supraja is generally, yeah, she's a married woman actually. She is in your senior batch. She's married in 2016 and 15 and she doesn't do any job and she's like kind of a become a degree. Okay, now she is trying very hard to enter into data science. She's doing the internships, whatever I'm saying, she's doing the projects and everything that is. Okay. So you need to do the internships. I will tell the what kind of internships you need to do. I will tell the what kind of certification you do. And this you need to do everything in the 4 months only. These people are doing only, right? See, in the course middle only they are doing, right? Not after course. In the course middle only you need to do. That's why I told you this is a rigorous course. Okay. If some people will fix to study IAS for 2 years, 3 years, right? If I want to pursue IAS civil services course, you need to get some guts to think about that, right? Because you want to spend so much time and so much money. In the same way, I also convey the same way. You need to have some guts if you want to pursue the data science course. You need to have some courage. It is not like a time pass course. You're just coming and going like that. Otherwise, how can you get 30 lakhs package in future? So they are paying some money means it's not an easy task, right? Data science learning is easy, but the commitment is hard. Data science concepts are easy only. Commitment is hard. So this kind of internships you need to do. So internships and certifications you need to do. And presentations also. presentations also you do, that is, and write-ups and everything. This all 4 months you need to do this, and we do separate sessions of this. And the Saturday especially, I will do separate sessions on this. Okay, those who are interested, those who are presenting, I can improve their communication skills, where they are doing the mistake, where they are doing the wrong, will encourage that. It's a kind of a family. Okay, every Saturday we'll keep on proving like this. So many things will happen. That is more than 30 lakhs, not only 30 lakhs. Sky is the limit, ma. Sky is the limit in data science. Some people are getting 1 crore or so. That is, yeah. Still any doubts? Still any doubts? This is a 4 months program generally, and this is the only headings. And again, the inside, again, the things are different. That is called your course curriculum. This is all the course curriculum. This is we will do. That is, everything will complete. That is. And not only that, after you get the job also, after the course completion also, you can call me at any time. You can come to Naresh IT, you can meet me, you can have a doubts, you can rectify me. Some people still come on Saturday. Saturday, 11 o'clock, I will give them to appointment. Those are the old students. They'll come and they will sit here and I will explain to them. That is on the Saturday. That is also is helpful. And if you get the job also, sir, I got this project, I want idea also, I will give my idea. That is called kind of a job support. I will not take any charge, okay, for that, because you are my students. You are my student. That is also I can provide that. And next thing is, that only I told, no? That only I am telling. Hello, sir, is can I join intern while continue to my current job? You can join the internships in virtual internships only. You don't need to go there. Virtual internships. Virtual internships only will be available for your regular jobs. If you don't want job, you have a physical internships also will be available. That depends on you. That depends on completely on you. So that is the one thing. And the next thing is, and don't believe outside people will say AI different and ML is different, DL is different, everything is different. Don't believe outside, ma. Some people still ask me what is different between AI and ML. AI and ML. First of all, what you are learning course name is called data science course. In the data science course, what is your job? You need to develop the models. You need to develop the models. Develop the models. One more name is called models is called algorithms. What is the name is called? Algorithm. What type of algorithms will be available? Machine learning algorithms will be available. Deep learning algorithms will be available. NLP algorithms will be available. And machine learning is normal thing for everyone. Those you are talking about DL and NLP, that is called AI. That is called AI. In outside, AI is different and ML is different. No, don't think like that. You are learning a course called data science. If you want to become a data scientist, you need to learn all these three. You need to learn all these three. Deep learning, nothing but completely image analytics. NLP is completely for text analytics. Because outside institutions are so bluffing, they are paying ML for 20,000 rupees and AI for 40,000 rupees. They'll do like this. Okay, I have seen that. I got the collaboration with them, but I didn't like their ideologies. I didn't join there. I joined especially in the Naresh IT because of the ideology. So they are charging very less charge and they are attracting more people. That's all. That is the model. And we are providing very quality training. Here almost every trainer is an employee. That is. So Naresh IT model is very good. I like here. So that is the one thing. So after 3 months of course and internship will do ready for apply the jobs. Yes. After 3 months, we'll start resume building and I will share your resume to HRs and you can start apply for the jobs. That is after 3 months. Because 3 months we completed almost ML. Why 3 months I am saying is in outside interview also people know very less about deep learning and NLP. They know very less because they also converted. They also converted only. They are very less to know about deep learning and NLP. I attended so many interviews. Okay, so many people are given less talk about deep learning and NLP. Less talk, very less talk, minute talk they will talk. That is, so many people talk about only machine learning algorithm they will talk. That 10 algorithms, classification plus regression. That is. So that's why after 3 months, you can easily apply for jobs. So you'll keep on try for jobs, and Naresh IT after 4th month, Naresh IT also will bring the companies. You will attend here on the Saturday, Sundays, and you keep on getting the jobs. That is okay. But only the thing is DC. What is DC your meaning? What is DC and A and MH in your dictionary? Tell me what is DC in your dictionary? Tell me, ma. What is full form of DC? Santosh? What is DC? Data science. So it is DS. Okay. Data science. And next AI means AI. And next again. Again, what is their MH means? Okay, that is ML. Now you tell me. Just now I have given the answer. Tell me. What is the answer? Is all are 3 different courses? All are 3 different courses. Can you please confirm the chat? No, right? Can you please confirm the chat? All are 3 different courses. You people are sleeping or what? What happened? Shiva, Akhil Rathod, Amu Naidu, you are just login and gone somewhere. All you people are. There are almost 75 people are there. Same course. Anurag is saying same course. What about others? What about others? Am I audible to you guys? Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Ah. That only, na? That only I am saying, Santosh. That only I am saying. Outside, they will bluff you. Outside, they will bluff you. They will charge ML for different. They will for DL for different. They will say AI is different. They will charge different. Nowadays, people are cashing the people mindset. Because in the India, data science is very famous. How can I do? I have seen the one news. They will teach AI and ML for 10,000 rupees and the qualification is 10th pass or fail. That is the qualification. I have seen that. Tomorrow I will show the screenshot of that. They'll teach the AI and ML. Fees is 10,000 rupees and the qualification is 10th pass or fail. Now see how the people are there outside. So everything is same. Only you need to remember only one thing. If you want to become a data scientist, okay, what you need to learn? Tell me. You need to learn Python, you need to learn SQL, you need to learn Power BI, and you need to learn ML, you need to learn DL, and you need to learn NLP. This is must. This is must. Then only you become a data scientist. Okay. Then only become a data scientist. Data science is not different. ML is not different. AI is not different. Data science is a subject. You know, chemistry is a subject. In the chemistry again, how many parts is there? Organic chemistry and different chemistry like that. Like that only this is. Physics also like that only. Science is the total subject. Science is divided into 3 parts again. Physics, chemistry, biology. If you want to pass in science exam, you need to pass all 3 or not? Like that. Data science is the entire thing. You need to learn all these 3. So that's why don't believe outside. Yeah, that one I am saying. Not only 6,000 ma. It is 5 lakhs I paid. I paid 5 lakhs for full-time course. Excel will not contain ma. Excel will not contain. No Excel. Instead of Tableau only, we are dealing with Power BI. Tableau, Power BI, both are same. Tableau and Power BI both are same. We will not teach 2, we will teach only 1. Okay, if I teach 1, automatically you can learn other thing. So that is a waste of time. That is a waste of time. You know, IMS Pro School is there generally. I tie up with when the Bangalore. They will charge in weekend batch. And the fees is at the time only 1.2 lakh. 1.2 lakh. And the no jobs at all provided. They said first they will provide the jobs and after that they will not provide the jobs. That is. So that is like the so many are there, you know. So many institutions are there. Don't fall in that. Don't fall in that institutions. So and next is Yeah, learn data science in 7 days is a gimmick. And people will, I have seen one thing, no, in Amirpet, the posters. Okay, how the posters will be there. Learn the English, no pen is required, no paper is required. And you will become a learn the English. How can he learn the English? He doesn't know, that's why he come to your class, right? Without writing, how can he learn? That is. Like learn the English in 1 hour, learn the English in 10 days. Like learn the AI and ML. I've seen like this, AI and ML, and the fees is 10K. 10K is the fees, and the 10th class is pass or fail. I didn't believe my eyes after I seen that. Then I see like this, really or fake that is. He written like this only. 10th class, pass or fail like this he has written. That is. Don't fall in the trap into other institutions, ma. Whether you join a Naresh IT or not, that I don't know. But my request is, once you want to join the course, inquiry that. Okay. Outside, what are the opportunities are there? So what you want to do? Okay. That's why we are conducting the demos, right? Well, we are giving the road path. And the demos, I almost 99% I will say the truth only. Okay, everything I will show the in front of you only. I showed you the jobs that is not fake, right? That is the LinkedIn only. They only put that is, and I showed in front of you my projects. That's only I have done. Then only I can show you, right? That is everything. So everything is in front of you only. Choose wise decision. Choose wise decision. That is only my request, because so many people will go that it is online and offline both. It is online and offline both online and offline. Yeah. Still any doubts? You can talk to me. So let's discuss about some Python, and tomorrow I will show about some more about Python. So Python is a programming language. Python is a programming language. In order to do your applications, you learn one programming language. We have C language is there, we have Java language is there, and we have now is the Python is very, very famous nowadays. Python is very, very famous because that is easy to learn. That is actually very, very easy. In order to write one code in the C language, it requires 7 to 10 lines, but in Python only 2 lines is required. In Python only 2 lines is required. That's why Python is very easy. That is, it's not very hard. Anyone can learn, and no prerequisite is also. No prerequisite is. Let's see here, suppose. Let's see here. No prerequisite is. No prerequisite is required. Course is already starting. Every day I'm telling, no, but in the name of demos only now it is going. But every day I'm telling new thing only. Am I repeating old thing? Yes, I'm repeating some part of old thing 25% because new people are joining every day. That's why I'm repeating. And I'm repeating the new one also. Don't miss the demos also. Don't miss the demos. And now you see here, if you want to add the two programs in the C language, you will include hash void main, include that IOH. I don't know C language really. Okay, I never tried C. stdio.h, and you will do some curly braces. You will do some int a is equal 20 and int b is equal to 30, and you will see scanf you will do, and you will see printf you will do, like so many things you will do, right? But in Python, very simple ma. Just write a is equal 20 and b is equal 30 and a plus b 50. That is the answer. Python is very simple. Okay. In the evening, we started a new batch like 15 days before. They are enjoying. They're very, very freshers are there. No prerequisites are there. They are enjoying Python very much now. That is, you will also enjoy very much Python. Python is very, very simple. Okay, like this only will Python. This is a Python platform. So, but you need to understand about the platforms. You need to understand about platforms. If I want to write some story, where can I write? Tell me in the laptop. What are the apps are there? What are the tools are there in the laptop? Tell me. Notepad is there. I'm writing currently. Word document is there. PPT is there. And what is there next? Suppose only 3 are there. You tell very good. That is. Notepad is there, right? Notepad is a platform to write something. Correct? Like Word document is also platform to write something. PPT also write something, right? This is write-ups. If you want to do the code, can you do on the notepad? No, right? Can you do on the Word? No. Can you do on the PPT? No. That is also different platforms will be available. That is also different platforms will be available. And that platform name is called Jupyter Notebook. What the platform name is called? Jupyter Notebook. That is the first platform. Jupyter Notebook. That is the first platform. So here notepad, what is the file extension will be there? What the file extension will be there? Every file has some extensions. It is what? .txt. And what document is what? .doc. .doc. And this is what will be there? .ppt. Even the different platform, different extension will be there or not? Like that also, this is also some extension will be there. What is the platform name? Platform name is Jupyter Notebook. Platform name is what? Jupyter Notebook. Who offers the Jupyter Notebook now? Who offers the Jupyter Notebook is, there are two people are offering Jupyter Notebook. One is Anaconda. Anaconda. You know, the different, Anaconda is not the snake, ma. Okay, Python is not a snake. Python is a programming language. The platform is what? Anaconda. Anaconda offers Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. To write Python program language. To write Python programming language. Python programs. That is the platform. That is the platform. What is the platform name? Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. So you need to install this. What you need to install? Anaconda application we need to install. Anaconda application we need to install. Application we need to install. So this is for freshers, those who are learning the starting as a Python. This is a very good platform. 100 by 100 marks for this platform. Those who are freshers, who are learning the Python newly. Everyone knows Python learning newly right here. So this is the first platform we will start. Okay. And second platform is called Google Colab. Second platform is what? Google Colab. This is also, they also offer Jupyter Notebook. They also offer what? Jupyter Notebook type only. Jupyter Notebook. That is called Google Colab. That is also Google Colab. Google Colab. So what is the difference between Anaconda and Google now? What is the difference between Anaconda and Google? Anaconda, it will run in your local ma. We need to install your app in the local PC and you need to run the file in the locally. There is no internet is required for this. Okay. To install, you require internet. To install, you need internet. Okay. Once install, you can run, you can execute the codes, you can run the codes without internet. Without internet. Anytime you can open anywhere. Without internet. Without internet. That is called Anaconda Beauty. And Google Colab, you use it for, suppose there is a huge data is there, right? Where the huge data is there, you need to speed up the process. That's why Google will offer one GPU free. One GPU free. What is CPU full form? What is CPU full form? Central Processing Unit, right? Unit. What is GPU? What is GPU? Graphical Processing Unit. Processing Unit. And it offers one more TPU also. TPU is very fast. That is called Tensor Processing Unit. Tensor Processing Unit. I showed some projects, right, that are in the Google Colab only. The video annotation, the leaf disease, chatbot creation, that all are developed on the Google Colab only. Because it is offering one GPU free. You don't need to pay the money. One TPU free. You don't need to pay the money. With your email ID, we can log in. With your email ID, we can log in. That is also, I will teach you that platform also. That is called Google Colab. First platform is what? We learn all the basics in the Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. Whenever the AI projects will come, where we will do? Google Colab. And these two files, that is Anaconda Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda Jupyter Notebook, and Google Colab Notebook. Google Colab Notebook. The Python extension file name is called .ipynb. .ipynb. What is the full form of ipynb? Ma? IPython Notebook. IPython Notebook. That is the full form. Okay. That is called IPython Notebook. ఇక్కడ కూర్చోమన్ను. Okay. IPython Notebook. Anaconda Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab Notebook. What is the extension? IPython Notebook. Like .txt is extension, na? .doc extension, .ppt extension. So what is used for? To write something. So like that also we need to write some code where we will write Anaconda Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab Notebook. When you save the file, what is the extension will come? .ipynb. What is the full form? IPython Notebook. Understood? Next, third one. Third one, if you want to create some application apps, if you want to create some applications, and generally some, what we'll do is called VS Code, Visual Studio Code, VS Code. This also I will teach. VS Code. And next one is called PyCharm. And next one is called Notepad++. Notepad++, also used to write Python codes. Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Notepad++. This when we will use when we want to create the applications, this I will teach. Every platform I will teach. Every platform. So when time comes, we will teach that. And this is the extension of these files is called, .py file. What is the extension, ma? .py. That is called Python file. Simple .py. That is the extension. So first one is called Anaconda Jupyter Notebook, and second one is called Google Colab Notebook, and third one is VS Code you can write, PyCharm you can write, Notepad+ you can write. So many platforms are there, ma. So many platforms are there. Okay. So which platform used for different use cases will be available. And next one is called Cloud ones. Azure Databricks. So I can say proudly this. Okay. I can teach you this Azure Databricks also. So no one will cover this, but I will show you how to run the code on the Azure Databricks. So this actually data engineers you will do. Data engineers will use most of this. Data engineers. Okay. Suppose your manager will ask you to install the Azure Databricks and do the code on that. You need to be able to do, right? So that's why we are training on this Azure Databricks. That is also one platform. It is also platform. And next, I will show that Google Workbench also. Google Workbench on the cloud. On the cloud also we can write the codes like GCP, like Azure, like AWS. Everything has the inside also some platforms will be available, Python platforms. That is also I will show you, and I will make you write the code on that also. We will do Python development, ML development on the cloud. At that time, we will use the Google Workbench. At that time, we will do the Azure Databricks. This all 6 platforms we will do. Anaconda Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab, VS Code, Azure Databricks, Workbench. All 5 we will do when time comes, slowly. But starting will start with what? Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. When I say it is notebook, means it is notebook, ma. When I say it is notebook, means notebook. Notebook may you can write the code, you can write the story, you can write the formula, you can write the image. That's why it is very famous. It is a completely story book. It is completely a story book. I will just show you here. Suppose if I want to write a story, today I am learning Python. This is I want to write a story. Now see, it will come like this. A story will come. Today I am learning Python. This is A is equal to 20B. This is code. What about above? This is called story. If I want to write heading also we can write. This I will teach everything. Okay, just understand what is the amount of thing you can learn. Python. Then heading will come. Like a story. You know, right? You already written some documents, right? In the college days. Project reports. Bold headings, 16, 14, 12, story, like that. We can get the images also. Let's do the Python. If I do the Python, it will come snakes, I think. Correct? Where are the images? Oh, snake only is coming. But we don't like snake. We want this. So Python. I'll come to here. I will do this. Then image will come. Like that. Image will come. Formula will come. Story will come. Code will come. That's why it is called what? Notebook. It's called a notebook. So to start as a fresher, this is very easy to understand. If I share this notebook, right, you will easily understand what Sir has written. This is the heading. This is the story. This is the code. And this is the output. Like that exactly you can know. So that is happen only in what? Only notebooks. That is happen only in the notebooks. Either Anaconda or Google Colab. You can't do this on this. You can't do this on .py files. The story write-off. So that's why that is a different use case. And this is the different use case. But these all are to write the platform to Python programming language. Now tell me, what are the Python programming language platforms? Tell me. First one is Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook. Second one is Google Colab. Third one is VS Code. Fourth one is PyCharm. Fifth one is Notepad++. Sixth one is Databricks. Seventh one is Google Workbench. If anyone say outside, you know all these things. You know all these things. Very good. Yeah, I will take doubts now. Yeah, Spider is there and Jupyter Lab is there. Yeah, Spider is there, Jupyter Lab is there. Yeah, Santosh. Yeah. I request you to please enroll as soon as possible, ma. Okay. If you enroll as soon as possible, like tomorrow is also one demo is there. Friday also one demo is there. And that demo is especially on the Python only. I will show that little bit about Python, how the codes are easy. That is, and Saturday you have no class. But Saturday we have workshop is there. What is there? Workshop is there. And you can attend the workshop. And I request you to enroll as soon as possible. If you enroll by Saturday, and we can start from Monday onwards. I think Monday onwards is the completely regular classes. Monday onwards is the complete regular classes. So talk to admin. Here the admin is Rajesh sir. Offline, online admin is the Rajeshwari madam. So if you want to previous demos, call to Naresh IT admin number, you can get the demos. If you have any doubts, you can call to my number. If you have any doubts, you can call to my number. I provided all the information till now. I provided the syllabus. I provided the road path. I provided the what you are going to learn in the future. I provided the course duration and everything. Okay. Try to choose a wise decision. If you don't join in the tools, if you join in the tools, again, you come to me only to learn the technology. Okay. That is fixed. Some people will join the tools. They want to learn only Power BI. After Power BI also will automate it. Then again, you will go to the technology. So whether you choose the data science or not data science, I am not worried. But don't go for tools, go for technology. Go for technology. Choose IoT, choose cyber security, choose data science, choose cloud computing, choose AR, VR. Unfortunately, these all trainers are not available for all. Trainers available only for data science. That is that's why you are coming. That is hard truth outside. Okay. But choose only the technology. That will give the minimum 15 years lifespan. You can't look back to till 15 years. Now recession is there. In 2008, recession is there. Now again registration will come after 10 years, like that. If you join in tools, what happen? After 6 years, 7 years, registration will come, you will be in the limelight. Again, you will worry and you will go to learn the technology. So that will happen. Every 10 years, registration will come in the IT industry. You should be in the update. You should be in the update case. Yeah, if you have any doubts, I will take the doubts. Workshop timing 10:30, ma. You can check in the Naresh IT website page or Instagram or Twitter or Telegram, that all the things. Both that is. Oh, no, that is online only. That is on online. Only online workshop. Only on workshop. Again, that is by seeing the workshop, don't think about the learning of the amount of the codes. Don't think about the codes. Anyhow, I am here to help you, right? I will train you to how to write the code, right? So you need to understand what is the outcome of the workshop. What is the outcome of the workshop? After you learning all this course, will you able to do that? Okay, that is the workshop outcome. Will you able to create the application app? That is the output. Definitely you will do. Your batch, senior batch people are doing, right? I already shown you. That is, so that is the only workshop. Why I want to, actually we are changing the workshop name, that is called Streamlit workshop. Okay. Streamlit app creation. Streamlit app creation using machine learning. Using machine learning. So yesterday we thought about OpenCV, but we change into ML model on the Streamlit application because I went to in the lab session, their mentor saying that I am teaching this extra to my students. Okay, but they are not able to say the answer because they did not train on this. The mentors are claiming that. So they are asking me to provide some materials. So we discussed that why can't I can give the workshop on the Saturday on this. So because of them, I changed my mindset. Some people learn on something, right? So we can provide the extra thing. So that is also one proud moment for me actually. Because some people are coming and they're claiming we didn't learn and you are teaching to other students, means that is very happy for me, right? That is, my students also will be happy. That is, that. I think you need to follow the websites, ma. The Telegram, Facebook, Naresh IT websites. How you know this demo is there? Like that. You attended? You inquired there? I think you can follow their website also. Their website will be there, I think. I'm not sure. Because I don't have Twitter, I don't have Instagram, I don't have Telegram. Nothing is there. Only WhatsApp is there. That is also for you only. The WhatsApp. To talk for you only, that is only WhatsApp. Okay, nothing is there. Naresh IT Twitter. Let's see. Demo on 15th. Like that, you can machine learning 14th October. 14th October on this only, right? Yeah. Yeah, you can go here and enroll it. Machine learning model deployment using Streamlit applications. So 10:30. Here it is free for everyone. You can check in the Facebook, you can check in the Instagram, Twitter. What is this? Huh? Pinfresh. Huh? New one or what? I don't know this. See, you are better than me. Before I use a normal Dabba phone, 1100. Before my marriage. Okay. Then because of my wife, I bought this. I'm very much flexible for that Dabba phone. That is. Okay. Now what happened? Companies also now doing the two-factor authentication, right? Like that Microsoft Authenticator, you need to install, you need to enter, the blah 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 is going on. So I decided to buy a new phone, then smartphone, that is. But no apps are not installed, only WhatsApp will install. That is only to talk to my students regularly. That's all. Yeah. Okay, ma. If you have any doubts, you can talk to me. If you have no doubts, you can leave the class. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. If you have any doubts, you can talk to me. Otherwise, you can leave. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hadoop is not required, ma. Development scope is there, Omkar. Yeah, bye. बोलो.